Today, we are going to take another dimension on how AI can help you project your business and whatever you are doing, especially if you're a creator on YouTube. Do you know that YouTube itself has created its own AI and has embedded it into YouTube Shorts? That is the reason why some people right now are making millions on YouTube through YouTube Shorts using YouTube AI. It's interesting. There's a lot of news going on that YouTube is stopping AI channels. How will YouTube, that is planning to stop AI channels, create AI and embed it into their own system? If you don't believe me, I'm going to show you today. So you can actually use YouTube AI to create videos for free. A full drama, but it's on Shorts. So many people do not know this exists. I'm going to show you today. Now, the two tools we are going to use is going to be Google Flow and YouTube Shorts. Just follow me as I do it step by step, and it will be easy for you to do it also. And now, the first thing you have to do is go to Google Flow. Just type Google Flow on Google. Type Google Flow on Google and you'll be on Google Flow. Right now, I'm on Google Flow. You have to see this landing page to know that you are there already. This is the interface. See, you have bonus and all of that. Just remove this and go to new project. I have a lot of projects here we can use, but let's go to new project. And you know, like I do it, the way I do it is I use practical steps that anybody, even a 12-year-old, will be able to handle it. But the reason why we are using Google Flow is this. Google Flow is the one that can create the image. Of course, there is a catalog of image on YouTube Shorts that you can pick from. But maybe you are doing drama or you are doing whatever. The best thing for you is to create your own image if you want to. So creating your own image is best to use Google Flow to create your image. And the video, the MP4 is what you create with YouTube Short AI. I told people in a group that there's now YouTube Short AI. They laughed. And when I showed them, they were perplexed. Most of the things that are happening that you are not into is because you do not know. It's not because you are not smart. You're smart, but you need to know. The knowing is what I want to show you today. So let's get into it. We are in Google Flow right now. The next thing we have to do is to give Google Flow the prompt we need to give it to generate image. I need to tell you this. There's a caveat to this. And the caveat is that if you want to create any video on YouTube Shorts, it's going to be videos that are acceptable to Google's terms and policies. If you want to create something like a nude image or you want to do an horror movie, it won't do it. Decent things. There's a lot of story online there that are decent and are selling. I have a short channel and it's doing very well using this. On Google Flow, let's create the prompt. A man and a woman sitting behind desks across each other in an office. In an office, they are both African, dressed in official outfits, maybe suits, and are excited. Ultra realistic image. Modern office. So anything you want, just include. But this is a test, so we are test running this. So let's just do it that way so that we'll have a quick rendition of what we want. So let's wait for it. It's creating already. Now, we have our image. This is ultra realistic. You would think it's a picture someone took somewhere, and it's not. AI created this. This is really good. Now, the next thing we have to do is download. So after downloading, then we'll go to YouTube AI to create our video. We are now on YouTube. Now it's showing me thinking I want to create a shot of myself, but we won't do that. We'll go to YouTube AI. You see the AI icon here, you pick it and you are here, then you press. If you want to use any of those things they have here, you can use it. But here you press plus. When you click plus, then you go to add image. Then it comes to this place. Normally, this is the image you want to use. Then we'll pick it. And as we pick the image, then we'll put our prompt. So our prompt is lady, what she says. I can't believe you stood up to that bully. Then, man, I couldn't bear to see him bully everyone like that. I think they're saying him bully everyone like that ever again. Okay, so you can say emotions, excitement, and gossip like. So let's see. Let's create. So it's loading. It's waiting. Let's wait for it. It's almost loaded. I think we have it now. You will agree with me that this is
can't believe you stood up to that
very
bully.
nice.
I couldn't bear
very,
seeing
very,
him
very
bully
nice.
everyone like that
All you have
ever
to do
again.
is,
I can't believe you stood up to that bully.
I couldn't bear seeing him bully everyone like that ever again.
So all you have to do is just come to this arrow, click on this arrow, and press save to device. That's all. It's saved to your device already. The beauty of this is that if you watch closely, you'll see that this is 7 seconds. It can create videos as much as 10 seconds. So if you are creating a short video on TikTok, on Instagram, or on YouTube, you can use this. YouTube is giving you an opportunity to create videos you can even use on other platforms because they gave you an opportunity to download it. Now, when you download this, this is the first scene. You create the second scene. You download it. You create the fourth scene. If you need 10 cents, free, you download it. So you have 10 videos. That's 10 times 10. That is 100. If you do 10 times 12, that is 120, which is 2 minutes. And even on YouTube Shorts, the maximum you can do is 3 minutes. That means this can do YouTube Shorts for you, do TikTok videos for you easily. And in fact, in most cases, most videos that go viral on YouTube or TikTok are almost 30 to 90 seconds. So you just need 9 of these videos or 10 to do whatever you want to do. And people are going viral on this to see how real this is. If you're a creator or you are not a creator and you've been hearing of YouTube and you don't want to show your face, these are the faceless YouTube channels they tell you about. You can create this. You can make this happen. Stick to it. Make sure you create something every day. And before you know it, you'll go viral. Jump into this today. Go and create something. Make sure you are not behind. Do this today till we have the next one. Thank you for watching.